Llamas from Southwestern University, Manila, and today I'll be demonstrating the demonstration of assisting delivery. So, where do we cut?
And the making service. Placenta out, 10:51.
Teacher. Nagkuha na ang bata.
Then I'm going to change my
Okay, now I will be assisting the doctor.
So I'm going to
Here now.
I'm going to stop here. So first I'm going to pour with the light and then
Ma'am?
wipe from up to down. Then rub. Then rub. Then after that we're going to first wash the start the shorts with shorts bin and then wash the instruments.
Placenta out, 11:11. Now we will be assisting the doctor in suturing or the
Then we're going to document,
sharp.
after that we're going to document the time that out and then that's all.
Good. How long? See? 3 minutes. From out. Okay, now I'll be cleaning the perineal of the patient. Assuming now that I'm done, I will be cleaning out my apparatuses or my tools.
Or the instruments.
Oh yeah, the instruments.
Because when you say apparatus, it's the machines.